Hello everyone, welcome to Unpod. So in this video, we will learn how we can create images from text with the help of Midjourney and Unpod Pilot. So Midjourney will create images for us, and Unpod Pilot will generate prompts for the same. So first we need prompts for creating the image. So for prompt generation, we will use Unpod Pilot. So for that, we need to click on the Ask button and give a idea to the pilot which kind of image you want to create. So let me type here. So make sure you have selected the Midjourney prompt generator pilot. So click on this arrow button, and within few seconds, Unpod Pilot will generate prompts so that we can use these prompts on Midjourney to creating images. Meanwhile, guys, if you enjoy watching our content, please consider subscribing the channel and follow Unpod on social media. So as we can see, Unpod Pilot has written four prompts for us. So you can use any one of them. You just need to copy your prompts here and paste it on the Midjourney platform. So this is how easy you can generate prompts and creating images with the help of Midjourney. So that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching.